An exit pop-up is a good way to capture leads. Whenever a user wants to exit your website, you will have one more chance to convert them from user to lead. But before you add an exit pop-up to your website, there are a few things you should consider. A few questions you should ask yourself. Depending on your answer, you will know if you are ready or not to have an exit pop-up on your website. In today's video, I will help you decide if an exit pop-up is a good option for you or not. However, I will not show you how you can add an exit pop-up on your website. I will leave that for a future video, so make sure to subscribe if you would like to be notified when I will be releasing that video. Can you make money with the leads? There is no point in capturing leads if they will not bring you revenue. You are not looking for people to like your Facebook or Instagram photos. You are looking to convert them from lead to customer. And if you can't, an exit pop-up will just annoy your current audience. There are a few ways you can monetize your leads. Sell them your product, sell them affiliate offers, or sell the lead. If you have an online store, an exit pop-up can increase your sales. Depending on your traffic, this can have a really big impact on your revenue. Converting cold traffic to customers is pretty hard. You have to have several interactions with your lead before they will convert to paid customer. If you pay for traffic, an exit pop-up will help you not to lose some of that traffic. In my experience, you can convert up to 25% of the cold traffic to lead if you have an exit pop-up. If you are an affiliate marketer and you are selling other people's products, there is a really good chance to increase your conversion rate if you are capturing leads. If you are selling big brands products or unknown products, lead gen is really important and an exit pop-up can help you with that. You can also sell the leads to other companies. I know people that are making a lot of money selling leads to banks, insurance companies, online retail stores, software companies, and so on. Facebook itself is one big lead generation machine that is selling leads. Do you have an email marketing plan? This is so overlooked by so many people, and it should be one of the first things you should do before you are creating any type of marketing campaign. You have to have a marketing plan or strategy. You have to create your infrastructure before you start. Do not just create an exit pop-up and link it to an autoresponder and leave the campaign for later. If you are not engaging with your lead as soon as possible, you will lose them forever. If you send them an email a month later about your offer, chances are they will not remember you and they will unsubscribe from your email list. If you don't have a marketing plan, you will be better off without an exit pop-up. Most autoresponder software are not free and you will just end up throwing some money out of the window. Have a plan first. Do you have an audience? You don't have to have a lot of traffic, but you have to have some. Probably after you reach about 1,000 visits a month, you can think of adding an exit pop-up to your website, or even less if the traffic you are attracting is highly targeted. If you don't have traffic, there is no point in doing this. Nobody is visiting your website, so you can't capture any leads. And even if you have a lot of traffic, but if you are not selling anything, an exit pop-up will just annoy your audience. Do you have a good lead magnet? This should be the last thing you are thinking of, and here is why. You already have one and probably you don't know. A good lead magnet means something that people should pay for, but you are offering it for free. It can be one of your products, gift cards, tickets, free shippings, and the list can go on and on. Don't tell people just to subscribe to your email list. This doesn't work for cold traffic. They don't know you. Why should they trust you? If you don't give them something that they will value, they will not give you their information. You have to give them something useful, something that they can enjoy. And guess what? Even if you spend some money on the lead magnet, most of the leads will convert into buying customers. You will have to spend money in order to make money. That's it for today. comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you liked it.